Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and selecting the sheet you need. This narrows scope and speeds results. Next, press Ctrl plus F or click Home, then Find and select to open the Find dialog. Enter the exact phrase, a partial string, or use wildcards like asterisk and to match patterns. Once done, choose options to refine search by rows versus columns, match case, or match entire cell contents so results are precise and predictable for the next steps. Now refine the search. Click Options and set within to Sheet or Workbook, search to by rows or by columns, and look into values, formulas, or comments so you target the right content. Make sure to toggle Match Case or match entire cell contents when exactness matters. If you plan to change values, switch to the Replace tab, enter the replacement text, and use Find Next and Replace or Replace All with caution. Preview a few occurrences to confirm the change behaves as expected. To finish, use Go to Special to select blanks, formulas, constants, or visible cells and combine that with filter or conditional formatting to visualize all matches before editing. Once selected, make bulk edits or review individually. This reduces accidental changes. If the find misses items, make sure hidden rows or columns aren't hiding data, unmerge merged cells, and verify cell formats. Text versus number can block matches. If problems persist, save a copy and repeat the refine search to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.